Welcome back to the channel, folks, and in this video we're going to completely break down the harmonic patterns in AUD CHF. So obviously what this channel's purpose is about is explaining trading without indicators, using harmonics and using a market cycle that you need to believe and be a believer of that it actually exists, and hopefully this video will demonstrate that it does indeed exist. So harmonic patterns, if you have a look at some of the explainer videos we have on file on the channel, you will see that harmonic patterns are simply movements in price that repeat over and over again. So looking at this particular chart at the minute, you know, it's very choppy all over the place, difficult to pick out any particular characteristics, but there is a cycle in there. There really is a cycle in there. So at this stage, we'll explain the harmonic side of things. So you will understand that there are swings in price that repeat themselves. So I'm just taking that high and that low. There's nothing more. There's nothing more to it than that. And just simply drawing that out here, as you are seeing at the moment, you would simply get a realization that there is that luck? Maybe it's luck. I don't think it is luck, but could that be luck? Maybe it's a one-off. Unfortunately, it's not a one-off, and it's something that you have to get used to, that these movements in price repeat over and over again. I can break this leg down into two other component pieces if I really want to hammer home the point. So we have this movement here, and we have this movement here. So let's just take this one for a walk. Let's see what it gives us. So it's given us some pretty good turning points. In particular here, it's like price before. Same thing here, here to here, you know, price is behaving and respecting. Where else could we see this potentially being featured? Here. Here, nice fit. So we know that this is a part of the DNA of this chart. These particular swings are part of the DNA of the chart. Let's take the green guy for a walk. Here. Here. Hopefully you can see that. Let me make that really bold so you can really pick it out. There we go. So hopefully you can see we have identified three pieces of, let's say, DNA. I quite like that expression because it is what the markets are made out of, in particular relation to this methodology. You can just see there's a lot of the green movements repeating. So in itself, that's harmonics. If you want to take it to, you know, let's take this leg for a walk. He's bringing us right down into here. These are all valid turning points. You then need to drill down into the lower time frames to get another sort of understanding on entry points and exits. But for now, I think that's a good enough introduction to the very basic principle of harmonics in asset prices.